Welcome to our channel, where we're going to show you how to make an ancient Indian secret for luscious, long, straight, silky and shiny hair, a homemade herbal shampoo that has been passed down through generations. Dried gooseberry, amla, nourishes and strengthens hair, promoting hair growth and preventing premature graying. Shikakai pods cleanses the scalp, removes dirt, and adds natural shine to your locks. Soap nuts, retha, is a natural cleanser that adds volume and smoothness to your hair. Fenugreek seeds are packed with proteins that strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Dried rose petals bring a sweet fragrance and contribute to a healthy scalp, preventing dandruff. Combine all ingredients in a bowl and let them soak overnight. The next morning, transfer the mixture to a pan. Cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Once cooked, let it cool. Mixture becomes soft, therefore it will be easy to remove seeds from soap nuts and amla. Take half the mixture, grind it to a smooth paste for a silky texture. Strain the mixture using a strainer to remove any residue. Strain the remaining mixture to ensure a smooth consistency. Add a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil nourishes the hair, repairs damaged strands, and promotes a healthy scalp. Mix well and your homemade herbal shampoo is ready. And there you have it, a natural homemade shampoo that's been cherished for centuries. Say goodbye to chemicals and hello to healthy, beautiful hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay beautiful naturally.